Welcome to this updated guide on enabling light mode on Discord Mobile. If you prefer a brighter interface, or you're simply looking to change things up, Discord makes it easy to switch between themes on your mobile device. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Discord app on your mobile phone. Whether you're on iOS or Android, the process is virtually identical. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom navigation bar. You'll want to tap on your profile icon, which is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon usually displays your avatar, making it easily recognizable. Tapping this will take you directly to your user settings. Once you're in your user settings, you'll see a variety of options. Scroll down through the list until you find the appearance setting. It's usually located under the app settings section. The appearance settings control how Discord looks on your device, so this is exactly where we need to be. Tap on Appearance to proceed. In the Appearance menu, you'll see a few options related to Discord's theme. Here, you'll find a section labeled Theme with choices like Dark and Light. Simply tap on the Light option to enable light mode. As soon as you select Light, Discord will instantly switch over to the light theme. The interface will become much brighter with a predominantly white background. This can be a refreshing change if you're tired of the dark interface, or if you find the light theme easier on your eyes in certain lighting conditions. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode, just follow these same steps and select Dark in the Appearance menu. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled light mode on Discord Mobile. This simple tweak can make a big difference in how you experience Discord on your phone. Feel free to experiment with the different themes to find what works best for you. We hope you found this updated guide helpful. Enjoy your brighter Discord experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.